Designers, what if you never had to leave Figma to clean up your images and move things around again? This morning, Figma released 3 new AI features to edit your images, which are extremely efficient and useful. Selecting a specific area to isolate objects, erase them, or move them around within your canvas, as well as the ability to expand an image so that it can grow beyond its original size. So let me show you where to find them, how to move things around, and everything that you need to know. Before we get started, many of you ask me these questions. Is this feature available for different seats? So let's go through that. Figma AI, any of the Figma AI tools, including the ones I'm going to show you, are available exclusively for a paid seat. Enterprise or a regular pro seat, they are not available for Figma Education. How do you know that you have access to those, to the new feature? You need to select an image. I am using an image that I've had ChatGPT generate for me for a thumbnail, and once I select it, you will see immediately right here at the bottom, I have those new options showing up for me. It's almost like a side menu with all those specific new capabilities. If you have access to a pro seat or enterprise seat and still you're not seeing those capabilities show up for you, what you have to do is go to the Figma menu on top, click check for updates, and it will show you whether you're on the latest version or not. If not, relaunch it. Otherwise, click on reload all your tabs, and this should do it for you. So let's go through them one by one. The crop menu, very usefully brought into the canvas right now. In the past, if you were editing an image in Figma, you had to open the side menu right here next to the property panel. You had to click select crop and then manipulate your image on an additional side panel, which made it more difficult. But now it's right here in the canvas, and you will see when you click the crop, it will make your image size increase, which is very handy. You also have a drop down where you can select from ready-made aspect ratios. So this is a square, or you can go for portrait. There are well-defined aspect ratios that are very popular. You can see also the Figma AI picks up if your resolution is low and prompts you to boost the resolution. I've showed you those capabilities in other videos as well. The select area allows us to select specific areas or object within an image and delete them or isolate them. If you click select area, you will have this lasso tool. So I will select the text and complete the object. Once I close this lasso object, you will see the side menu changes to give me 2 options, erase or isolate. If I wanted this element to be something I can move around, I can click isolate, but for now I want to click erase. And as the AI is working, you will see it will do this movement for you so you can recognize it's doing the work. And here it is. It did a fantastic job actually of removing the text from my image. The select area makes it super useful for you to select any object. Let's say I want this Figma logo and I want to be able to use it elsewhere. So be mindful with the lasso tool. If you click and you let go, it will actually discard everything that you've selected. I will click and drag as close as possible to the object I want to isolate. And now that I have it, I will click isolate. You will see the AI is working to separate this object from the rest of the image. And now that it's done, this Figma logo was removed from the image, allowing me to position it anywhere that I would like, which is fantastic. This is a super handy feature, and it definitely works better than simply trying to prompt the AI to do it. Now for my next step, in order to create my thumbnail, I'm clicking F as a shortcut to get a frame that has my thumbnail size. And now I resized my image and I placed it at the center of this frame. I have those white extra margins on the side that I want to fill. In the past, I would select the frame itself and maybe use the color picker to get the closest color possible. But now, with the new Figma AI capability, I don't even have to do this. In order to expand the image, I want the image container to be bigger than the image itself. What I would have to do is either use the crop tool to expand the image object. So you can see this allows me to expand the image container, even though the original size of the image remains the same. But now the image container is exactly the size of my thumbnail. Having done that, you will see the Figma AI already recognized what I would need to do. So this icon is showing up here, expand image. If I click on it, the AI will work to expand my image to fit within the container. And now you can see, it actually did a wonderful job of extending the image fully. You see, it matched this. I wouldn't have been able to do that just by changing the color of my desktop. It's not perfect, but it is very well done and it does the job that I wanted to do. If you want to access expand image, you will see it's hidden right here in the more menu. Expand, as well as the boost resolution capability, was brought in by Figma from the regular AI menu to the image specific side menu. And now I'm boosting the resolution of this image so it's bigger and more clear. If you're interested in getting the latest on Figma updates and how they can impact your design workflow, subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Namat. I'm a design professor at Algonquin College, as well as a design leader for the last 12 years. Thank you for watching.